Sup?
That'll be fucking good.
What do we eat around here?
Mostly just bugs and some grass and rocks and trees and things. We don't discriminate here at Pepperidge Farm.
Okay, that's a problem, sir. Let's get some cuisine more my style.
Cuisine? Style?
Heck yeah, it's slime life.
I know that voice. Have you awakened, my man? Your dietary advice was heckin' good. Fuck yes.
Yes. Well, I do have good ideas.
And the power of a fucking dragon!
I'm a smart girl, heckin' yes.
We're also feeling more dominant.
Really? But I didn't even get a chance to... Well, never mind. That's probably for the best.
It's okay. We also all fuck constantly.
This shit really just seems to have solved itself, huh?
Being a dragon comes with its perks.
Like tons of gold?
No, the gold was stolen from me when the barrier was put up.
Fucking knew it. Almost shit myself.
You did shit yourself.
Fucking why? Some village we are. Do we have any goals? Or do we just meet and fuck at this point? Since I'm like some sort of dragon slime abomination.
A drime. Or a Sagon, perhaps.
Anyway, I seem to have all the power. At least compared to every single thing I've met so far.
So much power! Bursting with energy!
Yes, well, I feel a bit guilty, having not really worked for the power, you know? I'd like to share it with all of you, though it seems I'm already rubbing off on everyone. Let's spread this shit around. I'm talking revolution!
And an extra special thanks to Kyle Adams, Cameron Dillon, Aislinn Fay, Winston Birch, Laffer Style, and Joseph Simmons. If I got any of those names wrong, float me over on the Patreon DMs. Ayy. If you did not see or hear your name in there and you patroned sometime in December, that's because I made this episode 3 weeks ago. Hooray! Ahead of schedule. I'll get you next month or something.